Hey.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Just finished wrapping up Miss Shina, lovely locks. Is some of you guys don't know, my girl's going away. She's going overseas. Yay! Congratulations. She's going to Bangkok, and she is so like Shina's my client. And she was always one of my clients. Like every time she sit in my chair, she sing. I'm like, oh my gosh, Shina, you can sing. And like to see her now to doing this and singing, and she's on stage and at the Sugar Bar, she's owning it. She's sexy. She's fabulous. Like I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of her, and I'm so happy to know that I know someone in my circle, that's going overseas to record music and just do something productive. So I wish you all the best.
I think I love you. And show them the hair. Show them your hair.
Okay, yeah. I'm just doing something real light, nothing too much. My client, she got the virgin. I got the virgin. You know what I'm saying? You just want to shake it up for them. Look at all that movement. You see that? So that's a full sew-in. Okay, this is virgin hair, layered. And she's good to go, and it's wavy. She can wear it in its natural state. Shina and Nate Styles. I'm in New York. It's going down.
It's going down, Nate.
If you ladies want some poppin' sewings, like poppin' sewings, holla.
Like whenever I get my hair done and I'm walking down the street, people ask me, they'll stop me and say, "Who did your hair?" Like he's that serious, and I would recommend him for anybody.
Yeah.